Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we going to discuss about how to gain subscriber.
Gaining subscribers requires consistent effort and a focus on providing value to your audience.
Here are some steps you can take to gain subscribers.
Create quality content. Consistently create quality content that provides value to your audience. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Optimize your content for search engines. Use keywords and optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility and reach a wider audience.
Use social media. Share your content on social media and engage with your audience.
This can help increase your reach and attract new subscribers. Offer incentives. Offer incentives such as exclusive content, discounts, or a free resource in exchange for subscribing to your newsletter or following you on social media. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other content creators or influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience and gain new subscribers. Use call to actions. Use clear and compelling call to actions in your content to encourage your audience to subscribe or follow you. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging discussion. This can help build a community and keep your audience engaged.
Overall, gaining subscribers requires a focus on providing value, optimizing your content for search engines, and engaging with your audience.
By following these steps, you can attract new subscribers and build a loyal following. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.